Guys, to say that I'm excited about today's video is a complete understatement because today I am showing you a piece of artwork in diamond painting form that I have been waiting for someone to do as a diamond painting literally since I started diamond painting. My canvas is here, my drills are here. Let's get into it. Hey guys, Jessica here with Tiny Worlds of Wonder, stopping in to share my first ever crown jewel canvas from Heaven and Earth Designs. I am so excited about this, you guys. If you are a returning viewer, big hello. Hope you're doing just great. Awesome to see you as always. If you're a new viewer, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. I release crafty content more or less weekly. Here on Tiny Worlds of Wonder, mostly about diamond painting, but also a little bit of coloring and other shenanigans. So if that interests you, I'd love to have you here. Today we're going to take a peek, like I said, at a piece of art that I've been wanting to do forever. A crown jewel canvas is a little bit different because these canvases come with no drills. So this canvas has been at my house for a while. I decided to order my drills from Jaded Gem Shop, and so I'll show you that here in just a second, but let me show you what I have going on with my canvas. Now, I opted for the black and white symbols on my diamond painting canvas, and so you guys might not be able to tell exactly what this is just by looking at it, and that's honestly how I wanted it to be, you guys. This canvas came beautifully rolled up with a pool noodle, as you can see, in a tube. So it was very well protected. It's been sitting here in my house for a couple of months now, actually, while I got my act together with the drills and everything. And that's held up just great. So you guys cannot tell. I'm positive you can't tell what this is. But this piece is called Merlin and Arthur by Scott Gustafson. I love Scott Gustafson. Here's what this comes with. A little bit of info about crown jewel canvases by Heaven and Earth Designs. Your diamond painting canvas will include a canvas covered with a hazy film, washi tape, pool noodle, instructions, sticker sheets, and drill usage sheets. You can purchase your drills from any source you like. However, we recommend Cooper Diamond Art and Diamond Drills USA. I've ordered from both of those vendors as well and had a good experience. Remove all items from the package and check to see if you received a free diamond painting pen inside the pool noodle. I don't think I did, but that's okay. We add them randomly to our packages. Lie out your canvas on a flat surface and allow it to settle for a few hours. The washi tape is an added feature, and to remove it, use quick upward pulling motions. You can use the pool noodle as you work with your canvas by rolling your canvas around it and securing it with masking tape. That's cool. We recommend sealing your canvas once completed with Mod Podge or a similar product, and then frame and enjoy. Thank you for your order and enjoy the journey. Thank you. Of course, I will take you out for a long view here on this very mysterious, very mysterious canvas here in just a minute. But I was going to see if there's a thumbnail somewhere so I could show you. If not, I'll snag one and just stick it up on the screen so you can kind of see what's up. This came with also some sticker sheets so that I could kit up my drills if I ordered them from an outside vendor. So these are pre-printed and I could cut them out. Oh, that's just the drill usage chart. These are the sticker sheets. So I could cut those out, peel this off, and use those on my containers. Now, because I ordered from Jaded Gem Shop, I'm not going to have to kit up, and I'll show you why in just a second. Let me roll it backwards a little. See if that helps here a little bit. There we go. It was like wrestling a hog. So this is truly a canvas fabric with like almost a primed feeling on the top there and a true fabric feeling on the back. So that's pretty cool. Because I opted for black and white symbols, of course my legend is all in black and white too, with a little hint about what color I'm looking for, which is really nice. This bad boy has a lot of colors, as in 88 colors. So it's gonna be a project. I'm really excited about it. Here's a view up on the screen of what the canvas looks like when it's all rolled out and all laid out, nice and neat. The texture of this adhesive Very, very sticky as one would expect. I am beyond excited to start on this. Beyond excited. So, like I said, I ordered my drills from Jaded Gem Shop. Jade had just started her drill shop when I decided, like, it'd be fun to order from her, and so I can show you guys and just support her business a little bit. So that's what I did. She did offer to kit up my drills for me so that I could show you guys kind of what her kit up service looks like. So I can literally get these drills today, start this canvas today. Like, I don't have to spend any time trying to kit up 88 colors myself. This is the best idea anyone ever had and completely worth it in my mind. So I told her, please choose whatever containers you feel like works for the quantity of drills that I have and the number of colors I have. So these came in these square containers. I'll just open one up. See how that works? Pop shut like that. Now, a couple of these have like a labeled color and an unlabeled color. I'm guessing this is extra of one of the two next to it. It looks like the one here. To me, that makes logical sense. And then she even threw in a couple colors of ABs for me. So she threw in a 5200, which is white, a 310, which is like a peacock blue / black. Very exciting. And then an AB 996, which is this pretty blue. Thank you so much, Jade. This is so exciting. Okay, I might sit and work on this. If I do sit and work on this, you can always follow me on Instagram if you want to kind of see how things are coming along. I start way too many projects. I have no less than like 15 or 20 canvases with drills on them right now, but this is one I've been dying to do. Like dying. So I truly can't resist it. If you want to find this canvas over at Heaven and Earth Designs, I'll put a link down in the description below. Of course, I will also put a link to Jaded Gem Shop. Jade carries not only her drill service, where you can order drills for like blank canvases and your Heaven and Earth Design crown jewel canvases. You can also order a number of old masters kits she has, her kit up service. There's a whole bunch of goodies over there. So I'll point you in the right direction there. Also, I have no doubt this is going to be a magical experience. So I will keep you posted. As always, spread some joy wherever you are, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.